Hi, this is Tim Queenie, editor of Ocean Navigator Magazine, and today we're talking with Dave Hoar, the owner of New England Fiberglass, about butyl glazing tape.
What we have here today is 3M butyl tape. It's made to install car windshields. Well, we primarily use this material on all bedding of hardware of boats. I've been using it for approximately 10 years or so. We can use it on any type of hardware, whether it's cleats, metal, wood. It really doesn't matter. It's easy to use. It takes extreme temperature changes from stainless steel to, say, fiberglass without shearing. And I think it's a very useful item to put on boats. All right, what we're going to do is put down 3M butyl window weld. It comes in 3 different sizes. The reason for the sizes is the size of the part. This part here, we're going to choose 5/16. We're not going to use the full diameter though. I'll show you real quickly how we can put it down and how easy it is to use. I'm going to guess that's 8 inches. We probably only need about 4. It's easy to break off, doesn't make a mess. You can just stretch out a log. Apply it to about 1/4 of an inch from where your part is going to set down. If you got too much, just make the turn. Then what I'm going to do now is actually, this is just simulation. We're going to put something around the bolt hole and where the wires go through. While I'm applying this, always keep in mind, any place you think that water might go in, you'd want to definitely make sure everything's going to be sealed, and I'll show you how to push it down in a minute. Here's another spot where water can enter. We want to put an area around this also. The whole area does not need to have a bedding compound put down. You can if you wish, but most people don't. In this case, I don't think it's necessary. Now we're just going to push this down with our fingers and flatten it out. As you can see, it leaves no mess. Try that with any other compound. You'd have stuff all over you. It will harden up with time, but it still stays soft. But if you made a mistake and you need to take it off, you can still just peel it off, just like this. And it leaves zero mess behind, which is another great option. No rags involved, no thinners involved. And there you have it. This product is unlike other bedding compounds. Other bedding compounds come in a tube. They're expensive. If you get a car windshield that's -10 degrees and you put your defroster on, obviously there's a big temperature change. And it's the same thing that happens to a boat. You got fiberglass, you got stainless steel. The 2 temperatures are not going to rise at the same, and you have flexibility in a boat also. And with that being said, you're going to have a shearing effect to any type of compound you use. So the stainless gets hot, the fiberglass stays cold, they shear, and the boat's moving, you're going to have a leak. So I've found using this product that we never have any leaks anymore.